Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Smile For Me. Today I am going to do a video on my print-on-demand business, Crypto Cloud, which currently I am doing a case study on, and I have been showing you guys how to sign up for print-on-demand sites using Crypto Cloud. Today we're going to sign up for Teepublic. The first thing we're going to do is go to teepublic.com. I'm going to hit create an account. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information. Once that information is filled out, I'm going to hit create my account. And it says the email has been sent verification link. I'm going to go to my email and here it is. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this link and hit activate now. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now I have my account. This is a little button here that says designer sign up. So if you want to start selling, I'm going to go ahead and put my email in. I'm going to hit create an account. My store name is going to be Crypto Cloud and my store name is available. It better be. It says take me to the uploader and I have all of my designs here already. Let's see which one I'm going to start off with. So let me go ahead and do the storm clouds. I uploaded the storm clouds and I normally do 5,000 by 5,000 on most of my designs when I upload to any print on demand websites. Clouds over the Atlantic Ocean. One thing I like to do is put my business name in a lot of my things. So my storm clouds will be my main tag, and I could put beautiful storm clouds over the Atlantic Ocean and then view from a plane window. Okay. Supporting tags. One thing I like about this, it pre-populates certain things. Storm, I could put storm chaser. When I type in clouds, there's different words that come up. Sky, tornado, storm chasing, meteorologist. So let's see. Cloud, sky, cloudscape, nature, and I'll just go until I get 15 and I can't put any more in. I have 15 tags. Oh wait, let me see. Cloud pattern, that seemed like a good one. I don't know if I'm at my 15. And this design does not contain any mature content. I'm gonna hit no. And then my default color for this one will be white. This is what my storm cloud would look like on this shirt. And then you can actually click on everything to see what it will look like. I don't like it too boxy on certain things, so I will draw that back some. But this is what it will look like on these shirts and hoodies. But the bigger picture is the stickers. So here are the sticker. You can do a die cut. It's just like that. That pillowcase is wonderful. Tote bag, that's pretty. I'm just gonna finish up all of these. I have finished uploading everything and everything looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit publish. That means my first item is published here under Crypto Clouds. I'm gonna go to my account and I'm gonna go to account settings. I'm gonna hit under my store, edit storefront. I can put a link in here. I can put my location. I can put external links, my Facebook links, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of that exciting things. If I click view my storefront, you will be able to see my first design. I'm just going to upload a cover photo. Let's see if this one works. Hit submit. That one looks fine. It's a little blurry. So that is my photo, the cloud photo on like the mug there. And you can hit down and canvas on different items, posters, different sizes. You want to look at the sticker. Teepublic is one of the easiest websites to upload on. And if you haven't uploaded on it yet, there's that phone case that was acting up. I am going to go back in there and fix that. But it does also show me other storm type cloud photos. So what I have, it shows you my tags that I apply, and then also customers tags that they have tagged for this thing, sort of like Redbubble as well. And then it shows me more content to explore. I hope this was easy for you guys to understand on how to go ahead and set up your Teepublic store. I am going to go in and fine tune my actual store cover and my thing. When you check back, I'll leave a link to my Teepublic store for this. And when you check back, everything should be fixed. But that is how you sign up for Teepublic print on demand site.